Mr. Speaker, nung sinambit po ni Congressman Suntay yung kanyang remarks tungkol kay Ma'am Ann Curtis, ang committee po ay nagkakaroon ng committee work that time. No? Kaya kung nung sinabi niya yung mga katagang iyon, he is covered by parliamentary immunity. Even more so na ito po ay stricken off the record, tinanggal na. Dapat hindi na po siya pinatawan ng anumang ethics case. Although I do not agree with everything that Kong Bong Suntay remarked about Miss Ann Curtis, sa akin naman medyo sumobra ang pagsasalarawan na yon. Even then, he is still covered by the blanket of parliamentary immunity that grants members of Congress two primary protections: freedom from arrest and privilege of speech and debate. And these privileges are designed to protect the integrity of the legislative process. Yun lang po, Mr. Speaker. Maraming salamat.
Majority Leader.